Canto's portals are a great way to share files with clients or visitors.
One of my favorite portal features is that they can be customized and branded for each client to make them feel right at home. Let's look at how. To get started, we'll go ahead and enter the settings. I'll hover over my avatar and then click on Settings.
Let's jump into Portals by clicking on the Portals tab. Let's click on the Edit Portal option to modify one of my existing portals. Now, let's jump over to the branding options by clicking on Custom Branding.
The first thing we could set is the logo for our client. The best thing to use here is a 252 by 57 pixel transparent PNG image so that it overlays nicely into the portal.
I'll click on the logo placeholder, then browse to where the logo is stored on my computer and upload it, and you can see that this logo shows in the preview now.
Our clients will see this logo when they're working in their portal.
Next up, let's look at how to theme the colors in our Canto portal. To apply custom colors to a Canto portal, what I like to do is click on one of these boxes that corresponds to a color that's being used in the portal. Then you can use the color swatch chooser to drag around and choose a color. You can see the portal update in real time. Repeat that with a few different color swatches until you have the colors you want dropped into your portal. Another option would be to just click on an element that's in the portal view and you'll actually see a color chooser come up specifically for that object. Again, just choose the color that you want to apply to this element. You could also try out the dark or light themes if you want.
One of my favorite ways to get colors right for my clients' portals is to get one color from a client's branding guide. Get the hex code for that color from an app like Photoshop, and then paste it in this box below the color chooser. I'll press choose and then it'll be applied. Make sure you're very careful with how you use your client's branding. If they have a signature color, make sure that you use the exact same color, as many brands are protective and specific of their branding. Now you can get as specific as selecting individual elements of the portal and updating their colors. For example, I could click on the menu buttons here at the top and change the hex code for each of these individual elements and press OK. I could change out the colors with the color chooser or input a hex code. Then I could proceed to work with other elements, like some of the menu options or even the background color. When we're finished making changes, I'll scroll back up and press Save. Now let's have a look at the portal in a new tab. You can see that it's branded and our clients will feel right at home when they're using it. The best part of branding your portals is that each one can be totally unique. No matter how many portals you set up for your clients, each one of them can be branded individually. Thanks for watching.